By the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a professional-looking Stranger Things intro, just like this one. Here we go. Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Stranger Things intro. This is completely free. There are actually 3 ways you can do this, but not all of them are completely free. One is free, but you're gonna have to wait about 3 months to get your intro, and of course nobody likes waiting. I hate waiting. So I'm a very impatient person. So there's another way you can do it, where you can pay $7, and Kessel Labs is pretty trustable, but I wouldn't give them money. So what you're gonna need a couple of things. First, you're gonna need OBS Studio, or just really any kind of full screen recorder that will record everything. You're going to need a editing software that can crop and zoom a picture, and also an editing software that can produce in a pretty high quality. So I'm using Cyberlink Power Director. You can use Premiere Pro, Movie Maker, whatever you want to do. And you're going to need to be able to crop and zoom and probably up the audio just a little bit. So let's start off. I already have OBS Studio installed. If you don't have OBS Studio installed, it's extremely self-explanatory. I'll just leave a link to download it down below. First link. So you're going to want to open OBS. I have opened OBS, of course, because I'm recording this, but you want to make sure that this desktop audio is not down there, but that it is all the way to the top. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open, just in any browser. I would recommend Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is pretty quick. You're going to want to look up either Stranger Things Intro Maker free and go to the one by KesselLabs.io, or what you can do is you can just click the second link down below, and I will get that for you. But we're going to want to click on this. It's completely safe and everything, and you can also make a Game of Thrones intro creator. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to save that for a different tutorial, a Westwood intro creator, Star Wars intro creator. They've made a lot of really cool stuff, Kessel Labs has. But, so let's just edit this real quick. This is how I make my Ark Survival Evolved things, but we're just going to put, let's just call this tutorial intro. Okay, and we're gonna put instead of Netflix, a Timmybug Productions. And I'm just gonna take another minute and fill this out with some funny little random garbage. So I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, and then we're gonna just leave the directors blank, and I'll just, for kicks and giggles, put created by Timmybug Productions. So, now that we've got that done, you want to go back through and make sure that everything is spelled correctly, because once you do this, you cannot change it. Like, you probably could change it with editing, but it's going to take a lot of work. So, you want to go ahead and just watch it and make sure that it's good. Obviously, this is performance intensive, so you want to be using Google Chrome. Let's just hit play. Answer is no. So start up OBS, just launch it, and click, well, first it's going to be nothing over here, I believe. To do this, you're just going to want to add a screen capture. You're going to add a scene. You're going to put in screen capture. And as you can see now, if I enter that, my screen just went blank. That's because I'm already recording. But to do this, you're going to want to, well, I'll actually go back to it. You're going to want to click add a source here. You're gonna add a source, and to do that, you just click display capture, and then it literally just does it for you. You click OK again, and boom, you have a second display capture. I'm gonna delete that for now because I don't need it. But that's how you create a display capture. Make sure it's working. Make sure your mouse is on. Capture mouse cursor is an option around here somewhere. You want to have that on. Or actually, for this, you might not, but go ahead and click start recording, and then head back to the intro. And this is where it gets really important. You want to make sure you're not talking, so I'm going to cut my mic auxiliary off real quick. And you want to make sure that your mouse isn't like in the way of the intro, because that would be really, really bad. You just want to have just straight intro, your mouse out of the way. So here we go. OBS started. We're going to do this real quick. I'm going to cut my audio off, and y'all can see. Okay, so now that you've got that recorded, what you're going to want to do is stop the recording. So I'm just going to stop that real quick. So now that you have your intro recorded, go ahead and open up your editing software. I use PowerDirector 15. It's a relatively cheap software. You can buy it from Amazon for like 30 bucks, I think. If you don't have 30 bucks, just any editing software that is free and that you can crop on. Literally, all you have to be able to do is crop the video. Okay, so you want to get it to this black screen here, and I'm actually gonna enlarge in this just so that y'all can see it. You want to get it to this black screen right here, and you want to make sure that that little thing in the bottom showing your web address is not in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete the rest of the clips there. From there, you just want to through. Okay, and hold on. I can guarantee that OBS will not cause audio glitches unless you have an outdated version. So now what we're going to want to do, you can save your project. I'm not going to. What you want to do is you want to go to your cropping software, wherever that's at, and we're going to select crop and zoom. And then this is where it gets slightly tricky. You're going to want to crop it, but not crop it too much. So make sure you don't have the white bars on either side, but it's going to close in, obviously, so you want to make sure you have as much of the Stranger Things as possible, because, like, for my ARC intro, it barely fits on the screen. It's ridiculous how closely the ARC intro fits on the screen. So there we go. That should do it. Now let's watch it real quick. As you can see, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna watch the entire thing. I'll play it at the end. As you can see, this is completely good. Like, I mean, it looks really good. Obviously, you'll want to center your crop. I just kind of quickly did it, just for editing purposes. And there you go. So then what you can do is you can produce that intro, and you'll be completely ready to go. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like. I can do a lot of more tutorials, like how to cast your iPod screen to the computer, what recommended apps I would use, because as you can see, I have 2 casting softwares here. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Produce that, and here's the finished product that hopefully you were able to make along with me with the free Stranger Things intro maker. Hope y'all enjoyed.